In this video, we are going to learn how to set ADL 300 drive for the shaft copy system with the G1 controller. First, we are going to enter drive config and see if the access mode is expert or not. It's not, so I'm changing to expert. I'm pressing up, change the regulation mode to flux vector closed loop, and press escape to return main menu. After that, we are going to check the canvas LED. As you can see, it's off, and that means that the communication parameters are not turned on. So I'm going to change that to pressing up to find the communication, press enter, and find the field bus configuration and field bus type. We need to change it to can open. Field bus baud rate to 125K. And after that, field bus address. We are going to change it to 3. Pressing escape to return main menu, save, enter. After saving the parameters, I'm turning off the power of the control panel. I turned it on again and waiting for the drive. As you can see, it started to look for the communication. After the drive set up the communication line with the controller, it's going to reset itself a few times. It's normal. You just need to wait for it. Okay, as you can see, the canvas LED is stable now. Now we can enter motor data and start the auto tuning. I'm going to enter startup wizard, set motor data, and enter the parameters according to my motor. Our motor voltage is 400, so it's okay. I'm going to change the current. And rated speed, rated frequency, pole pairs, rated power. As I said before, you need to enter these parameters according to your motor. Before running the auto-tune still, we need to check our G1. Here, the safety circuit. When we press the blue run button, we should see the safety circuit is coming on. After we see it, everything is okay. I'm going to start the auto-tune still and press the run button. As you can see, the contactors are pulled and it started to make the auto-tune. We need to wait until it's finished. I'm not releasing the run button, it should be pressed. Okay, now I'm releasing the button. And the auto-tune is done. Okay, set encoder parameter, digital F, check disabled. Probably your encoder is 1024, but ours is special encoder, so I'm going to change it. maximum motor speed. This should be the same with the rated speed. And our speed threshold should be 10 or 15% more than the rated speed. So 1700 is okay. Maximum car speed. This should be your elevator speed. 1 meter per second is for this elevator is okay. And the system weights. You also need to enter according to your elevator. And the rope weight. After you see the gearbox inertia, press escape to return to the main menu. Enter 5 lift. Enter mechanical data. Here find the gearbox ratio. This should be your gearbox ratio, so look at the motor plate and set it according to your motor. This is your pulley diameter. You also need to set this up too. After you finish entering these parameters, change it to mechanical data mode and find this parameter, calculation speed rate gains. Change it to on. It should return off itself, but it's okay because we are making it to make some calculations. So one time turning on is okay. After that, press escape and enter speed. Here you can adjust the speed. You can set these parameters as you want. And multi-speed 6, this is important one. Set this to 0.1. And multi-speed 7 is 0. Press escape, enter the sequences, and find the speed 0 threshold. Set this to 5. And speed 0 delay, set it to 400. Okay, after it's finished, return to main menu, save the parameters, and that's all.